I'm gonna.
Try to see if you can come over.
Are we doing what? Are we doing a probation?
Yes.
Probation, correct. We have 18 months though, because of that.
Yeah. Will you remind me the last name again, please?
What?
The last name again?
Yes. Raul.
That's it. Oh, so, Mr. Castillo, you're charged with a total of 3 cases. You're charged with a felony theft of a firearm, DWI, and then you're also charged with
Possession, I think.
yeah, possession of a controlled substance with us.
Xanax, I believe.
I want you to understand that this DWI is going to go on your record. It'll be there for the rest of your life. Anytime you get pulled over, officers will see your record, which is not that good. And I'm going to tell you, every time you get pulled over, no matter what you're doing, no matter where you're going, no matter who you're with, they're going to harass you because of your record. The record speaks for itself. And they're going to, no matter if you are coming from church and you're dressed to the bells to the nine. It don't matter. They're still going to mess with you.
So,
Do you understand?
I understand.
So don't give them the opportunity. If you want to drink, if you want to go smoke, if you want to do this, just don't get into a car. How much money have you spent over the course of the last 10 years on all these cases that you've had when literally $20 clicking one button, maybe 30, can take you wherever you want to go. I'm going out on a date with my wife this Friday. I haven't gone out on a date in months, but I'm going to take an Uber because I want to drink like a fish. But I'm going to do it the right way, and that's taking an Uber, right? It's the responsible way. As much as I would prefer to drive, I know that officers hand out DWIs like it's candy on Halloween, so it's easier for me. That's the way you do it. That's the responsible way of acting. You understand? And you got to understand from now on, you ever pick up any more cases, whatever it may be, it's a minimum of 90 days in jail. And on a DWI, it's a minimum of 30 at least. And then with your other priors, they're kicking up to 90 days. No more proverbial slaps on the wrist. You understand? As part of the agreement, they're going to dismiss the theft of the firearm, the possession of a controlled substance. As part of the agreement, that gun will also be confiscated as well. You understand? You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. So once you plead guilty, you can never change this or undo this. It will go on your record. It will be there forever. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. You can never change this. You understand?
yes, sir.
How do you plead to the offense of driving while intoxicated? I will find you guilty. I will sentence you to 180 days in jail. However, I will probate that for 18 months. You will do a TRAS, which is an evaluation to see what other conditions you may need. If they assess other conditions, you must fulfill those. You must do thinking for a change, which is a class. You must do a DWI education class. This is a first, right? Have you confirmed that it's true first? Alex, please. 2 victim impact panels. No breath test refusal, meaning that if you're pulled over in a car and an officer asks you to submit to a breath test, you must do it. If you don't, you're in violation of this probation. No drugs, alcohol, guardian interlock, and a $100 one-time donation to Mothers Against Drunk Driving. What do you do for a living, Mr. Castillo?
Self-employed as a landscaper.
How much money do you make a month?
Anywhere from 2,000 to 2,500.
Who do you support in this life?
That's myself right now, and I'm actually trying to help my dad. My father, I live with him.
His dad's here.
Say it again?
His dad's here, but he works with his dad.
Okay, I'm going to do you somewhat of a favor. I'm going to roll your court costs, but there is a DPS fine and fee that you're going to be required to pay. We will give you 2 years to pay it. you gotta understand, if you don't pay it, there's jail time that comes along with it. I mean, it's gonna end up being maybe like $75 to $100 a month, but you gotta pay it. All right, so I wish you the best of luck. Make this thing work. If you don't, I'm gonna issue a warrant for arrest and I'm gonna put you in custody. You're looking at an entire 180-day sentence. Do you understand? Do you have a Texas driver license?
I do not.
Okay. We need to make sure that he gets a license as well. Okay? You need a license, man. You just, if you're a landscaper, freak, you gotta, don't drive. I'm making it a condition of your bond that you're not to drive until you get your Texas driver license. I want that done within 60 days. Yeah, it's within 60 days, you must get your driver license. I want you today to go there to start doing what you can to get it. I'm not gonna suspend your license here. Do you know what happened on the LR suspension?
I don't think he has a license, so.
Can you run his, license real quick?
I'll see if. Yeah, it was 4 years ago, the arrest, so.
Yeah, it's not a 2-year agreement, well, because it's been already.
Okay. Okay.
Is that the new surcharge?
So George, you give this to your client, will you? This is the driver's license division for DPS. This is who you need to call to figure out how to get your license back. You call them in the morning and say, hey, this is me. I need to get my license. What do I need to do? Because it's been so long, you're gonna have to take the driver's test. You're gonna have to take the written test. When you call them, you call at 7 in the morning. Don't call at 9, don't call at 1, don't call at 2, don't call at 7:02, because you're not gonna get through. Those lines are so busy. You gotta call right when the phone line's open, and that's at 7.
It's 7 o'clock.
And you'll get through.
Yes, sir. Oh, sure will.
We wish you the best of luck.
Thank you very much.
Make it work, okay?
Thank you.
Good job, Mr. Reno.
Thanks.
All right.
Have a good one.
Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.